set to get a new roadmap for managing roads, footpaths, and civic infrastructure. Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Bairegowda has directed all major civic agencies to work together instead of functioning independently, saying the aim is to reduce public inconvenience and avoid duplication of work. The directions came during the second executive committee meeting under the Greater Bengaluru Authority Act. Officials from BWSSB, PESCOM, BMTC, BMRCL, DDA, K-Ride, Traffic Police and Fire Services were asked to coordinate infrastructure planning instead of carrying out separate works. One key decision was to create a unified GIS-based digital platform. The system will integrate details of roads, utilities, streetlights, road history, and ongoing infrastructure projects across departments. Citizens will also be able to report civic issues such as potholes through the platform. The meeting also reviewed the ongoing Safe Footpath campaign, under which authorities are clearing alleged encroachments and relocating street vendors from pedestrian pathways. Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said the government would soon introduce a new footpath policy. He said designated vending zones would be created while ensuring pedestrians have unobstructed access to footpaths. He also said illegal flex banners would attract penalties of up to 1 lakh rupees. Shivkumar said footpaths are meant for pedestrians and added that the business of one individual should not make an entire footpath unusable or force people to walk on the road.